NDP Leader David Eby arrives in Nanaimo to a warm welcome from about 100 supporters Thursday night and responds with a significant campaign pledge that catches many by surprise.
We're going to build that new patient care tower at Nanaimo Hospital and make sure that people in Nanaimo are looked after. That's what we're going to do.
Eby says it's not the first big healthcare fix his government has brought to the Harbour City, pointing to previous work to build a new ICU and a business plan for a new cancer care centre for Nanaimo's hospital.
All of that work to make sure that the space is there so that people in Nanaimo get the care that they need. I know that there's additional work that has to be done around the cath lab and some other pieces. We're going to keep doing that work.
The Fair Care Alliance and the Nanaimo Regional Hospital Board have been lobbying the government for both a new patient tower and catheterization lab for NRGH.
Exceedingly pleased that getting the recognition from the NDP party regarding the lack of infrastructure that exists in Nanaimo and actually listening to the community.
Obviously I was pleased. To be honest, I didn't jump up and down and scream and pop open the champagne because it is an election promise, but I think it signals that the government has heard the citizens of Nanaimo.
Rough estimates peg a new patient tower at nearly $2 billion, a big ticket item. The unanswered details in the announcement now forming the questions.
We want to see a detailed plan, the when, the where, the what.
The financing, I think that will be a separate conversation with the government because the regional district would be responsible for 40% of that money. And that's why we have been putting money in reserves through our hospital levy. But I hope that funding formula could still be open to negotiation.
But the new patient tower, of course, rides on the results of the election. Today, Chuck News asked Conservative leader John Rustad about it.
This government has ignored everything north of the Malahat for too long. There is many issues that need to be there, and I've talked to the healthcare professionals there. So the new facility that needs to go into Nanaimo will certainly go ahead under Conservative government.
The BC Conservatives sounding as though they too will also be promising a new patient tower at the hospital.